Have you ever found your original content, artwork, or design copied online by someone in another state or even another country without your permission? Maybe your photo is on a blog, your logo's on another business page, or your written content shows up word for word somewhere else. If that's happened to you, here's the good news. You're protected under federal copyright law, and there are clear steps you can take to make it stop. Today, I'm breaking down what happens when someone copies your work online, how to file a DMCA takedown, when to pursue federal copyright infringement lawsuit, and why Florida state laws don't apply to these kinds of cases. Hi, I'm Lori Lomnitzer, founder of the Lomnitzer Law Firm here in Boca Raton, Florida, where we focus on intellectual property, trademark, copyright, and entertainment law. I help creators, entrepreneurs, and small businesses protect their intellectual property online, whether it's your photos, music, digital designs, or written work. Copyright protection in the United States is governed by federal law. That means your work is protected nationwide the moment it's created and fixed in a tangible medium, like being saved digitally or published online. Here's what's important to know. Copyright protection is automatic. You don't need to register your work for it to be legally protected. However, to file a copyright infringement lawsuit in federal court, you must have your work registered with the U.S. Copyright Office. Protection typically lasts for your lifetime plus 70 years. This automatic protection covers everything from blog posts and photos to videos, music, software, and graphic design. If you find that someone has copied your content online, you have two main options to protect yourself under federal intellectual property law. Number 1, file a DMCA takedown notice. Under the Digital Millennium Copyright Act, you can request the removal of any infringing content from a website or platform. Here's how you do it. First, you identify the host. Use a Whois domain lookup to find the web hosting provider or the site's DMCA agent. Submit a formal DMCA notice. Most platforms like Google, YouTube, and Shopify have online forms that make this process fast and easy. Once received, the website must remove the infringing content promptly or face further legal action. The DMCA takedown process is often the fastest and most effective first step in getting your content removed. Number 2, file a federal copyright lawsuit. If your copyright is registered, you can take a step further with a federal copyright infringement lawsuit. Here's what that entails. You'll file in U.S. District Court, not a Florida state court. You can file in the district where the infringer lives or where the infringement occurred. Though with online content infringement, this can get complex. You may be entitled to an injunction to stop the infringement, actual damages for your losses, or statutory damages and attorney's fees if your work was registered. So no matter where you or the infringer lives, copyright protection and enforcement fall under federal jurisdiction. If someone in another state or online is copying your content, logo, artwork, or intellectual property, you have nationwide protection under federal copyright law. At the Lomnitzer Law Firm, we help clients across the country protect their intellectual property rights, remove unauthorized online content, and take federal legal action when necessary. If your copyrighted content or creative work has been copied, reach out for a confidential consultation. We'll help you understand your rights and take the next step to enforce them. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more insights on intellectual property, protection, trademark strategy, and copyright online enforcement.